So next, let's take a look at the fan I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Noctua NH-L9i fan. So let's open the box. So it comes with thermal paste, and this is the fan. And of course comes with a screw that we are gonna need. So first I'm going to make sure that the surface that is going to be touching the processor is clean by using alcohol, isopropanol, and Kim White to clean it. Get all the dust out. I don't know why this thing is not in the bag. So now it's quite clean. So when you clean this, you want this surface to be as clean as possible, because this is going to be the part that is going to touch your processor. The cleaner it is, the better it's going to be in terms of keeping your processor cool and not getting overheated.